In this video, we'll be learning about orders and types of orders in Forex trading. So what is an order? An order is basically an instruction sent to your broker using the provided trading platform to open a transaction or a trade. So when we want to enter a trade, when we want to buy or sell a currency pair, we have to send an order, which is an instruction to the broker to buy or sell our desired currency pair. Okay, so what are the types of order? There are basically two types of order. We have the market order and we have the pending order. So a market order is an order instantly executed at the price that your broker has provided. So for example, the bid price for Euro USD is currently at 1.2240 and the ask price is at 1.2242. So if you wanted to buy Euro USD, it will be instantly sold to you at 1.2242, which is the ask price. Okay, remember we said we buy at the ask price and then we sell at the bid price. So a market order will instantly execute a buy order for you, or rather a sell order for you at your ask price. Okay, so what is then a pending order? A pending order is an order executed at a later time, which is specified by the trader. So there are basically two types of pending orders. We have the limit orders and we have the stop orders. So the pending orders are like you telling your broker, when the price gets to this point, enter a sell trade for me, or when the price gets to this point, enter a buy trade for me. Okay, so that's basically what the pending order is. There are limit orders and there are stop orders. Now for limit orders, a limit order is an order placed to either buy below the market or sell above the market at a certain price. So you're either buying below the market, okay, or selling above the market price. So when the price is at a point, you place a limit order to buy below or sell above. Okay, let's come here and take for example. So if I'm to place a limit order here, if I'm to place a sell limit, I'll be telling the market to place a sell order for me here. I'll be telling the broker rather to place a sell order for me. Let's assume I want to have a sell limit at this point. Okay, so a sell limit has to be above the current price and a buy limit has to be below the current price. Okay, so I'll basically be telling the broker to enter a sell trade for me when the price reaches here, for example. Then I'll be telling the broker to enter a buy trade for me when the price reaches here. So this is a sell limit and this is a buy limit order. Okay, so that's it for buy and sell limit. So once the market reaches the limit price, the order is triggered and executed at the limit price. Okay, once the order reaches the limit price, the order is triggered and executed at the limit price. Now coming to stop orders, what do we mean by stop orders? What's a stop order? A stop entry order is an order placed to buy above the market or sell below the market at a certain price. So you place a buy stop order to buy at a price above the market price, and it is triggered when the market price touches or goes through the buy stop price. Now you place a sell stop order to sell when a specified price is reached. Once the market reaches the limit price, the order is triggered and executed at the limit price. So again, let's come to our trading platform, and then remember the last time we said we have the limit orders, and when we want to place a sell limit order, we have to place it above, and when we want to place a buy limit order, we have to place it below. Okay, so for stop orders now, when we want to place a buy stop order, we have to place it above our current price, and when we want to place a sell stop order, we have to place it below our current price. Okay, so remember for sell limit it was above our current price, and for buy limit it was below our current price. Now for buy stop it has to be above our current price, and for sell stop it has to be below our current price. They are basically the opposite of each other, and I know this could be very confusing in the beginning. That's differentiating between a buy stop and a sell stop. or buy limit and sell limit. Okay, but do not worry, because these are concepts we're going to be using very much in our future lectures, and we're going to get very familiar with them. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example of the buy stop and sell stop, and also buy limit and sell limit orders here. So as you can see, this is GBP USD we're looking at, and then now what you see as volume is actually the lot size. Volume stands for lot size. Okay, so stop loss, take profit. Now when you come to type, you see that here is market execution, and you have the button to sell by market and buy by market. Okay, so when you come here, there will be a drop down menu where you can choose pending orders. Now the pending orders, and you then see type. Now when you click on type, you see that we have the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Okay, so like I said, the buy limit has to be below the current price, and then the sell limit has to be above the current price. So as you can see, the current price is this is the current price, so it means if we're placing a buy limit, it has to be somewhere here. So I'm just going to come here, copy the value here, and then come to this buy limit and then paste it here. Now you can see when I place the order, you can see that we now have a buy limit. Okay, so now we can see that buy limit, and when the price comes down here and hits our buy limit price, it's then going to create a buy order for us. So same for sell limit. Come to properties and copy, and then come to types of orders, and then use the sell limit, and just paste. When I place, we can see that we now have the sell limit here. So when the price comes here and hits our sell limit, our broker will trigger this trade for us, will enter this trade for us, and then the market, hoping that the market will sell downwards. Okay, so that's how we place a buy limit and sell limit order. So let me place a buy stop and sell stop order. So remember I said the buy stop has to be above the current price, and then the sell stop has to be below the current price. Okay, so for the buy stop, I'm just going to copy the value for this line and come to buy stop. Now you see buy stop, and I place it. You can see that a buy stop order has been placed here. So when the price reaches here, it's going to trigger a buy order for us. And finally, for the sell stop, we come and copy our value and come to sell stop and place. We'll then see that we have now placed a sell stop here. So when the price comes here and triggers here, we are going to enter a sell trade and hoping to take the ride downwards. Just going to delete all these trades right now. So that will be it for this lecture on orders and types of orders. Hope to see you in the next. Bye.